3, 2, 1, go! And can I make it in 10 seconds? Okay, not bad. Ok, on y va. Up, 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 and go. Okay, today I wanted to give you some small tips to use your travel tripod of Peak Design with a quick shoe, and let's drive on. And the chicken. Yeah, you're on TV. The idea was to put a fluid head on this tripod. So I got this wonderful GITZO fluid head, and I put a plate on it. It's worked perfectly fine. So that's great. I can also move. I can get the level like this, and it's wonderful. So that's it. But the problem is the plate of the fluid head is, I don't know what, but it's very big, and I didn't want to put on the camera. So also I get another problem. I couldn't put Peak Design plate on it. It was too tiny. So I was thinking for a way, and that's what I found. I found on Amazon a quick shoe from FALCAM, and the plate is nearly exactly the same size as Peak Design. I put the quick shoe on the shoe of the fluid head, and then I could put my camera with the mount of the FALCAM, and it's fixed and secure, no problem. And that's great. And what the great thing is, I can really easily remove the camera, really easily remove the mount, the fluid head, and I can put the camera also on the tripod easily, because this FALCAM plate is really similar to the Peak Design. The only problem I get is I cannot put a Peak Design plate on it. It's a little bit too thick, so it doesn't work. But until Peak Design do their own quick shoe, that's a very good way to work for me. I hope you enjoy, and I hope it's helped. So that's it. I'm really happy with this tripod, and it's really easy to get level and everything. So no, it's wonderful product. I really recommend it. And by the way, I took this video with the Moment MagSafe mount.